Hello students, this is experiment number 1 to study different parts of compound microscope. Let us learn what you have to write in your practical notebook regarding this experiment through this video. First, write objective or aim of the experiment to study different parts of the compound microscope. For this, you require a compound microscope to study its parts. This you have to write under heading requirements. Now, write the theory part. Compound microscope is used to view objects which cannot be seen by naked eyes. And this can be achieved by the compound effects of two sets of lenses. These two lenses are ocular lens, which is present in the eyepiece, and objective lenses which are close to the sample जो हमें ऑब्जर्व करने हैं. Now, after this, write the various parts of compound microscope. First, see the microscope. Point number 1, the microscope is built around a strong basal foot and there is a vertical limb. Second point, there is a square stage fixed to the limb. Third, stage is provided with clips to hold the slide in position. You can see the location of stage and clips in the microscope in lower picture. Now see the diagram and note point number 4, 5, 6 and 7. Fourth point, it is a movable concave mirror fixed at lowermost part of the limb. ये mirror help करता है to focus converging cone of rays at the specimen. Come to fifth point. Fifth point पर body tube show किया गया है. The body of the microscope is composed of a tube called body tube. Now sixth point, at the upper end of the tube there is an ocular lens or eye lens which can be changed to lower and higher power of magnification. Next point 7, at the lower end of this tube एक revolving nose piece है with 3 objective lenses. One low power of 10x, second high power of 45x and third oil immersion of 100x power. Let us move to point number 8. See it in the picture. The tube of microscope is vertically movable with the help of coarse and fine adjustment screws on the limb. After writing parts of microscope, now write working of compound microscope in the following steps. First step, place the microscope in maximum diffuse light. Direct sunlight is harmful for eyes. If light source is artificial, filter is used. Preferably use blue light. Second step, adjust the light by turning the mirror towards the source of light and also by moving condenser. Third point, place the prepared slide on the stage and adjust the object just over the stage aperture. Now come to fourth step. Locate the object and focus it with low power objective using coarse adjustment. If higher magnification is required, turn the nose piece to next higher power. Use only fine adjustment at this stage. Next important point is use higher power objective only when object is properly mounted under cover slip and always observe with both eyes open. After this, now write about oil immersion lens. It is a special lens of 100x power and it is used for seeing small objects like blood smear and bacteria. A drop of oil is placed over the cover slip of the slide as shown in the picture and the oil immersion objective lens is ragged to touch the oil. Then lens is adjusted to get the clear image. The refractive index of oil is same as that of glass. Hence, it increases the resolving power of the microscope and make the small objects more clear. Lastly, write precautions to be taken while using compound microscope. First, microscope should be kept covered when not in use. Second, objectives should not be ordinarily removed from the nose piece. Third, before and after use, all lenses and metal parts including stage should be cleaned. The lenses are cleaned with tissue paper, muslin cloth or soft handkerchief. Fourth, operating screws, condenser, iris diaphragm, mirror and stage clips should always be handled carefully. Now draw neat and labeled diagram of compound microscope on left side by using sharp pencil. Don't use sketch pens for any reason while drawing diagrams. Always put proper margin on all four sides of the diagram and labeling should be done properly. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for staying with me. Subscribe the channel to get the information about my new video. Thank you so much.